The boundless Nordic wilderness, trees rustling, water soothing, air fresh. That's when I truly feel alive. An outdoor adventurer, inhaling nature with every breath. The original beauty of Scandinavia is not just a sight, but a way of life. On my journeys through these beautiful countries, I embrace the Nordic fascination, immersing myself, fishing in clear waters, and collecting mushrooms in the deepest forests. Every moment becomes an adventure and a deep dive into untouched nature. But it's not just that. I'm an outdoor chef, a sustainable hunter and gatherer. Fresh catch of game and fish sizzle on my campfire, and the scent of Nordic nature fills the air. Sustainability is not just a word, it's my commitment. In storm and rain, in icy snowstorms, under the dance of the northern lights. Nordisk gear is more than just a shell. It's a promise that I can rely on, no matter what nature throws. Nature is my home. Nordisk is my choice.